Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shubhangi Anand, and in today's video I'm going to show you my go-to festive makeup look and all the products that I'm going to be using in this video. I got all of these products from Tira. So now let's start the video. So first up, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation and also my go-to foundation, whether it's a festival or I'm going out just for shopping. I'm just applying this foundation every other day. That's how much I love this foundation. So next I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It gives full coverage and blends so beautifully, and also it does not crease in my under eyes. And for my blush, I'm using this blush from Mars Cosmetics. It's their blush R, and this is my new favorite blush because it blends like a dream and it really melts into your skin. And now for eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. I absolutely love this palette because it has so many colors that you can create so many different looks, such beautiful shades. You can also create like a very simple and clean girl makeup look using these, and also very festive glam looks. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. I have been using this Colossal range since I was in school. That's how much I love this range. This liner is so good. It is jet black. Just look at this mascara. The packaging is so good, and the wand of this mascara is also very nice. It adds so much volume and length to your lashes. Now for my highlighter, I'm using this MAC highlighter because it's the perfect champagne shade that goes with my outfit and also with this look. And now for lipstick, if you don't want to apply two things like a lipstick and a lip gloss, so you should try this Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick. This is so good because first it does not transfer, and also it gives you that glossy finish. It looks like you have applied gloss on top of your lipstick, and also it stays for a really long time. And now to lock everything in, I'm going to use this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. After applying this, my makeup lasts for a really long time, and also my face doesn't feel dry because it's a dewy setting spray. So this is the final look. I absolutely love this look. Let me know what do you think. And this is my go-to look if I have to get ready for a festival in like 10 minutes. This is what I do. Also rate this makeup look from 1 to 5 in the comment section below. It is so easy and simple to create. So guys, recreate this look, and also you can shop all of these products from Tira because they're having their big beauty sale which starts from 21st to 27th October, where you will get 50% off on products from your favorite beauty brands. So guys, hurry up, get all of these products from Tira before the sale ends, and also create this look. Tag me if you recreate this look. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.